Hi kids, today, we are going to learn about the letter O. Let's learn how to write the uppercase O, or the big letter O. To write uppercase O, we'll start at the top, and do a full circle. Now you try. Great job! Let's move to the little o. To write the little o, we'll start in the middle, and make a small circle. Now you try. Great job! Let's do some exercises. Please put a circle on all O that you can find inside the big O. Great job! Let's learn some words that starts with the letter O. Ostrich. Onion. Octopus. Orange. Omelet. Olive. Ox. Let's play a game. Please put a check on the picture, if it starts with the letter O, and put X, if not. Ox. Indian. Ostrich. Orange. Bird. Onion. Great job! Thank you for watching kids. See you in the next video.